Welcome to SL Tech Home. Today, we're going to show you how to create a professional document in Microsoft Word. Whether you're writing a report for school, crafting a business proposal, or drafting a resume, Microsoft Word offers powerful tools and features to help you create polished and professional-looking documents. Hey there, document creators. I'm Pemitha, and in this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the process of creating a professional document in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. The first step is to launch Microsoft Word and choose a template for your document. Word offers a variety of pre-designed templates for different types of documents, including resumes, letters, reports, and more. Select the template that best suits your needs, or start with a blank document if you prefer to create your own layout from scratch. Once you've selected a template or started with a blank document, it's time to customize the layout and formatting. Use Word's formatting tools to adjust the font style, size, and color, as well as the alignment, spacing, and indentation of your text. Add headings, subheadings, and bullet points to organize your content and make it easy to read. With the layout and formatting in place, it's time to add your content to the document. Type or paste your text into the document and use Word's editing tools to format it as needed. Adjust the font, size, and color of your text, and use features like bold, italic, and underline to emphasize key points. Insert images, charts, tables, and other visual elements to enhance your document and make it more engaging. Step 3. Proofread and edit. Before finalizing your document, take the time to proofread and edit it carefully. Check for spelling and grammar errors, as well as consistency in formatting and style. Consider asking a friend, family member, or colleague to review your document for feedback and suggestions. Step 4. Save and share your document. Once you're satisfied with your document, it's time to save and share it. Click on the File tab in the top left corner of the screen, then select Save As to choose a location and file format for your document. Give your document a descriptive name and click Save to save it to your computer. You can then share your document via email, cloud storage, or printing, depending on your needs. And there you have it, a professional document created in Microsoft Word. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to SL Tech Home for more tech tutorials and guides. Until next time, happy document creating